So we are now in Kazakhstan. We've been here for about 5 days, having got through the nightmare that was the Chinese border crossing. We're now in the city of Almaty. Fantastic views of the mountains up here, beautiful clear blue sky, but we were told they had snow here last night, so it's a pretty variable set of weather conditions. In a couple of days' time we'll be heading west from here and then crossing over those mountains to get to Bishkek, the capital of Kyrgyzstan. Okay, so following from the report on my biking kit, we're going to have a look at what Dominique's been riding so far across China and a good chunk of southeastern Kazakhstan. Here we go. So main bike is pretty much stock Niv Avail, Ultegra throughout, and with the TRP Spire cable disc brakes, so that we both have the same brakes. The only non-standard item on here is we swapped out the wheels for the Kinesis Crosslight, so again both bikes are running the same sets of wheels, and also on the back here we've got a 34 tooth cassette for some of them mighty big hills. Luggage wise, we've got front half of the bike toe peak bar bag, along with a little friend that we picked up on the way to celebrate the year of the dog. Toe peak top tube bag and toe peak saddle pack. What's been a real win about the bike so far has been the tail fin pannier and rack. The big problem with this bike was that it doesn't have any rack mounts first. Second, it's an extra small size frame, which means 44 centimeter frame. And this was, first of all, the only frame I could find that would fit on a bike with no rack mounts on such a small frame size. And it adapts very well. It weighs, well, nothing. And it's been outstanding. You can put it on and off the bike in seconds. It's durable, doesn't rattle. So far, as I say, I'm absolutely delighted with it. Okay, so that's it for me now. I'm going to have a well-deserved beer and catch up with us in a week or so. Bye-bye.